And hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to back up WhatsApp messages. So first, you just have to open your WhatsApp and make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Tap these three dots, go to settings, scroll down till you see these chats right here. Tap this one. Now scroll down again and you will see this chat backup. Click this. You have to make sure that you are logged into the specific Google account. So you have to make sure that this one is a Google account you want to use when you open another WhatsApp account. Okay, so frequency, you can select from any of this, but highly suggest that you have to choose daily. You have to toggle on this include videos, and then you can now start your backup right here. Okay, so connect your Google account and then click backup. Now it will take I think a few seconds or minutes, and then after that, way to go, you can now exit your WhatsApp application and then open this to another device. So since you have your backup with you, then you have already saved your videos, files, chat messages. When you open your WhatsApp to other phone device, then whatever you have saved here on your Google account or your backup, then you can see that or you can open that to your other phone device or other device that you want to open your WhatsApp application. So suppose that you're done here, then what you're going to do is you have to get your other phone, open your WhatsApp, select your country, type or enter your phone. Now you have to wait as it is retrieving credentials, and then they will ask again for your phone number, tap next. And then what you're going to do here is you have to enter the code that they have sent to your phone. So enter the code right here, and then they will begin the backup. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply wait as they're going to process your backup. So they're validating the code right now, and then now it's going to back up everything here. And then after that, you can now click restore after that, and then that's it. You can now open your WhatsApp with the files that you have saved to your backup or your Google account, and it will not delete all the files, it will not delete the messages, but you will see all the messages right here with what you have saved on your Google account with the help of your backup feature option on your WhatsApp application. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.